Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today I want to show you a reverse swan teaser, also known as teaser on top of the chair. So this particular teaser you definitely want to build up to. It is a challenge. It's more challenging than many of the teasers you'll do in the Pilates studio because you have a very small surface space and you are leaning into a spring this way versus many teasers on Cadillac. The spring is from above. The reformer, you've got two awesome straps to kind of work with. The mat, you're on the floor, so you're good to go, right? So this one's a little more challenging. If you found this video from the online pilatesclasses.com flashcards, hello, you'll see that there's also a version of this using the wall. I want you to do that or use a chair or a fitness ball or something if you're new to this exercise. And you also need to make sure you're very much hips close to the edge, because the further you are close to this way, if you are leaning your weight into that pedal, you will go with the pedal, right? So you want to make sure that you're set up for success. So if one middle spring on, I place my hips at the edge, and then you find a teaser for yourself, okay? Then arms reach, you flip the palms, you bring them back, and then you place your hands on the pedal. Now the pedal doesn't go down because I push with my arms. The pedal goes down because I reach with my center. Watch, see how high my legs are? That's a little precarious. I need to get them down in line with my eyeballs. And then I pull the waist back to move the pedal. Then I try to leave my lower back on the chair as I come up. Again, the waist pulls back, so the pedal isn't moving because of the weight of my shoulders. It's because my lower back is pulling to the chair. I hold it, I come up, I reach my arms, and I can rest. So again, the legs stay at that eye level the whole time. If that's going well, there's other options for you. So option A is you go down and then you do some pumps and you come up. So you can do up and down, twice, and then on the third rep, you could do those pumps. Another option is legs low, and then you go down and you keep the legs low and come up. So this, that round back, is really helping you prepare for like a teaser 3 or 100 with your legs in line with your eyes. It's a lot of fun, but again, you're trying to leave that lower back on the chair, and your pedal moves because of your waist, not because of your weight, okay? So try those out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you're using the online pilatesclasses.com flashcards for the chairs, please enjoy the preps as much as the other exercises that look really cool, just to make sure you're set up for success. And then check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.